Hello, this is the Omas from Amazon. Actually, I don't know the brand, but apparently they do some good stuff on Amazon. And I bought it on Amazon after reviewing some power banks on Amazon. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, and it only cost about £9.99, which is really cheap. So I'm going to unbox it.
Hand in hand, made a pact, and it stands. Nothing comes between us but this ampersand. Ampersand, we're the band, make it fact. Ain't no end, we gon' be the hourglass and the sand, and the sand. Stop the whip, ain't no pulse to split. We gon' take it all, key to lock, that's our partnership. Now we taking off, start a kit. 34.
This is what comes in the box. There's nothing else inside. So you have a USB-C together with a USB type B if your phone is using USB-B. So it's a USB-C, USB-B cable, two of them at the same time. It's really good to see that in the power bank. You have the user manual, which I'm not going to read right now. Nothing else, just the power bank. And I have to say it's not that big and not that small. It's actually slimmer than most power banks I have, and it looks great. You have two USB-A output, one USB-C output and input, and one micro USB input. So it's just for charging this. It doesn't do output, but I'm really glad to see a USB type C input and output here. This means that you don't have to be carrying an extra cable of micro USB. If you're using your phone is using a type C cable, then it's very simple for you. You can charge it here directly like this. And if you have a USB type C to type C cable, it's easy. You just connect it to your phone and then to the power bank. That's really good. So let me turn it on. So right now it only has one light on. Normally it's supposed to have all of them on once it's charged. And I will try to charge the phone to see. So I'm going to use this one. Yeah, it's actually charging it. So as a 10,000 power bank normally is supposed to charge your phone if you have an iPhone of about 3,000 milliampere battery. Then it's going to charge it for at least 2 times or 3 times. Because I can't really say because it's 10,000 it's going to charge it 3 times more, because 9,000 milliampere doesn't necessarily mean it's going to charge a phone with 3,000 milliampere 3 times because of power loss sometimes. But it's really good. I can totally recommend it. For the price, really, I think it's really great. Most of the time at this price point you don't get a 10,000 milliampere with type C input and output, so I think you can totally buy this. If you don't want to buy it, then you will have to buy the Anker or Oki, the equivalent of 10,000 milliampere. With those brands are quite expensive. I think it's about £15 or more for those brands, but this one seems totally okay for $9.99. 10,000 slim battery bank. Actually, let me compare it to the Moto One Vision. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker than the Moto One Vision, which is actually a slim phone. So yeah, I can totally recommend it. It's totally fine. Buy it.
Nothing comes between us but this episode.